Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import LUT into Luminar. But before that, Team SKYLUM is giving away 10 free LUTs to download that you can use for your portrait, lifestyle, and urban photos. And this offer only valid until 22 September. By the time this video is uploaded, I think you only have 5 or 4 days left. So grab it fast before it ends. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you how to get the free LUTs and import it to Luminar. Okay, first of all, to download the LUTs, click on the link in the description and you will be directed to the Luminar Insider's website. Okay, if you don't have an account yet, just click on request to join button and follow the step to sign up. After that, if you don't see this post, close down this tab and click on the link again to open it. Okay, so Luminar Insiders is a community website by SKYLUM. You can find a lot of posts about Luminar in here. Okay, and to download the LUTs, just scroll down until you see this link and then click on it to download the LUTs. So you can use these LUTs to create a mesmerizing shadow play with black hues and white accents and make your photos more eye-catching. Okay, and then here's a sample photos as you can see. Okay, after that, extract the LUTs and let's go to Luminar. Okay, so to import the LUTs, go to Edit tab and in Creative tab right here, click on Mode Adjustments. Then click Choose LUT and add Custom LUT file. Then choose the LUT file. Okay, like this. Then click on Open. After that, click on Choose LUT again and you can see the custom LUTs that you just imported. So to use it, it's super easy. Just click on it like this. Okay, as you can see, this LUT make this photo more eye-catching. And down here you can always adjust the adjustments. You can adjust the amount to make it the LUT more visible and the contrast and saturation as well. Okay, so here's a view before and after. And as you can see, these LUTs make this photo more eye-catching. Okay, so that's it for this video. So make sure you grab this LUTs fast before it ends. And I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.